Joining us now is the chairperson of the probe committee constituted by PMA, Dr. Akhtar Rashid. Let's talk to him and find out about their investigations so far. Thank you, Dr. Saab, for joining us. Let's start with your investigation so far. What sort of investigations have you carried out, and what are your findings so far?
Primarily, the investigation reveals that it is a case of criminal negligence as well as the maladministration. The girl was injected the injection Pavlon, which is entirely should not be used without any ventilator. Basically, the first treatment was very in accordance with the justified norms, that the doctors put the flamazine cream and the Dormican injection. This was the exact treatment. After that, they called another doctor from the peds department, Sandeep Kumar, who put the injection Pavlon. The Pavlon normally we use in anesthesia. It is to anesthetize the patient. This is not for the patient to give for the minor sedative. It is not entirely used. So it is a case of incompetency also. So the responsibility lies as well as on the doctors and on the part of the whole administration of the hospital.
What sort of reaction does the body undergo when Pavlon is injected, and what sort of side effects are there?
Pavlon is the central muscle relaxant medicine. So the lungs collapse and the respiration stops, which happened in this case. And if the doctors putting the injection would have stayed there, not more than only 5 minutes, then he can save the girl by calling the emergency team and by by intubating her.
Okay. Now, during your investigations, have you been able to find anything about the whereabouts of the accused Dr. Sandeep Kumar?
He belongs to Sindh, and he has been working in the children hospital here as a house officer, and now we don't know where he is.
And how much experience did he have?
He has only 6 month experience, and normally the PMDC issue the registration certificate after 1 year.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining us. That was Dr. Akhtar Rashid giving us an update on the PMA probe committee's so far findings on the investigation regarding the death of Imane Malik at Doctors Hospital. That's all from here. Back to the studios.